welcome back to our channel. It's been almost a year since we last uploaded a video, and so much has happened in the meantime. We've been hard at work on several renovation projects and improving our garden, and now we are so excited to start sharing everything with you again. Going forward, our plan is to create more vlogs where we share glimpses of our everyday life with renovations, gardening, and everything else we love. We hope you will join us. So, what have we been up to over the past year? Here's a quick look of some of our bigger projects. Last spring we created a shade garden filled with lush greenery. Part of our lawn was turned into gravel paths to connect the different areas of the garden, and it has really helped tie everything together. We absolutely love working on our garden projects and already have plenty more planned for 2025. Indoors, Jesper completed the renovation of the walk-in closet. This is something we've been dreaming about for years, and we are so happy to finally have this small but functional space that gives us plenty of storage. And just before Christmas, Jesper finished building the glass wall for the walk-in closet. It was his first time tackling this kind of projects, creating custom windows from scratch. For those of you who want to see more of these garden and renovation projects, we'll sharing separate more detailed episodes later on. But now it's time for this week's project. We're starting the renovation of our staircase, and this week it's all about tearing down the old walls. When we moved into our house, there was so much to renovate that other rooms had to take priority. So we decided to very quick and very temporarily paint the walls and the staircase just to freshen it up. But now it's finally time to give the staircase a proper renovation. So that's it for this week. Jesper has torn down the walls and now we're ready to move forward with the staircase renovation. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like to follow along with more renovation and garden projects here at Villa Sollid. See you in the next video.